Hello. QuickRows provides a powerful function to link tables in Excel. In this example, we will apply a table of extra points and final text notes to a listing of examination results. This listing contains exam results and a mark for the optional special work. The student receives either 5 or 10 extra points if the work was delivered and approved. The tables will be linked through their content. QuickRows is invoked pressing the combination Control Q. Then we will use the function number 5, sheet linking. We will link columns D and F. Both tables are in the same worksheet. Column G, containing the extra points, is applied to the students who presented the special work. A new column has been added to receive them. The next step is to aggregate the extra points to the score in column C. A simple algebraic addition of columns C and E is applied. The result overwrites column E. The students who delivered the special work have now 5 or 10 extra points. Now, let's link calls E and G to apply the alphabetical note using the same procedure. QuickRows will select the closest value in the scores table of column G. The final alphabetical notes replaced numerical values. As we can see, the closest values were selected for each node according with the score ranges in column H. However, the selection criteria can be adjusted to pick up the immediate upper value, adding the greater than symbol in the first parameter. We can repeat the exercise selecting the closest lower value instead. Of course, we could stipulate the application of exact matchings only. To do so, just insert the equal sign next to the linking column letter in the first parameter. Columns F through I show the results of applying different matching criteria. The same procedure is applied when the linked table is located in another sheet. In the following example, we will link a subsidiary table of customers to a listing of invoices. We will add the city and term columns content from this table into an invoices table using the customer ID as linking key. The invoices table includes a column D with the corresponding customer IDs, so we can link both tables. Next step is selecting the table to be linked and the linking column. And finally, the columns to be imported are selected, in this case the city and the term. That's it. The columns have been aggregated to the invoices table.